What is up, guys? My name is Killer Cloud, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do ghost inhales. What you want to do is you want to take a very tiny inhale, okay? You don't want to take a big fat rip of that mod and then ghost it. You're not going to have any more space in your lungs to inhale more. That's the whole point of the ghost. The ghost is you take a quarter exhale, and then you inhale the rest of the space in your lungs to suck that thing back in. Pause. So what you guys gotta do is take quarter inhale, hold it in your mouth for a little bit, just so then all the vapor kind of collects in that one area, and then you can either open up your mouth, and then inhale quickly back in, or you can kind of flick your tongue a little bit, like kind of do this, not too fast, but like that. And that's gonna help push out the vapor a little farther, and then you inhale back in. You guys don't want to exhale and then inhale back in. It's gonna make you cough. Trust me, it's gonna make you cough. It will. So I'm gonna give you guys both of the methods. There's different ways on how to exhale it from your how to release it from your mouth. You can go from the side, or you can go from the middle, as a original type of way. But let me give you guys some examples. So quarter inhale, open up your mouth, and then quickly inhale back in. Now for me, I'll give you guys another quick tip. What helps for me when I do ghosts is I don't keep my mouth tiny like this. So I don't open my mouth and then do this like that. It's harder because it's a confined space. It's actually easier if you keep your mouth open and then inhale like that. It sounds weird, but it's gonna pull in and give you that really nice ghost effect. So here you go, guys. And that's ghosting. All you have to do is simply just open your mouth, let the milky vapor release from your mouth, pause, and just keep your mouth kind of open more. Don't tighten your lips and suck, okay? Pause again, pause. It sounds bad when I say it. It sounds so bad when I say it, but it's the only way to teach you guys sometimes. You don't want to keep your mouth real tight. It's gonna make the trick a lot harder to do, trust me. If you keep your mouth a little bit wider, then when you vacuum that vapor back in, it's gonna make that milky ghost kind of like out and then pull back in. It's a better look than just doing like this. I'll do an example of what might happen when you keep your mouth small. That's exactly what's gonna happen. So what's gonna happen with that is you're not gonna get the ghost. The vapor's gonna come out, and then you're not gonna have enough suction or enough, air moving back in to pull it back in. It's just gonna linger, and now it's just gonna be kind of like a weird half O, but it's gonna dissipate. It's gonna be strange. So a quick tip, like I said before, you want to keep your mouth kind of the same way that you exhaled it. So kind of like you want to keep it as big as possible. Some people on Instagram that I watch do this, and they bring it back in like you're popping an O, and then you quickly bring it back in. That's another way of a ghost. There's different methods and different ways to do it, but this one is my way to do it. So if you guys liked the video and you guys are gonna learn how to do this, it's easy, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, have a great day or night, and then have a great time. Yeah, cool. All right then, guys, later.